So taste test time. Look like too much seasoning in there. All right, let go. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to Health and Fitness, and this is a space where we discuss all things concerning losing body fat to gain muscle mass. Alright guys, so as you all know, or I hope you know, we are going through a pandemic right now. Unfortunately, where I work, I am constantly exposed to persons that may be carriers of COVID. I've actually had co-workers that have gotten it that I work closely with. They've quarantined and some of them are even already back at work, but this is not something that I personally am interested in getting. My concern is taking care of my insides or my immune system. I did a little research into some of the things that I could do to boost my immune system, and one of the things that I found were immunity shots. So let me show you what are some of the things that I have been doing to take the necessary precaution. I take my women's one daily vitamin each and every day. I also take activated vitamin B. These are things that I would have done anyway. But in addition to that, I make sure to take my elderberry, and I found out about this from my mom because she's into a lot of natural and holistic stuff. So she told me about this, and there's a whole wealth of information online about the benefits of elderberry and immune support. And I also, let me see if I can reach it, I also try to drink a packet of emergency at least daily, or I make sure I drink it when I'm at work. And like I said, I got on good old Pinterest and saw this concept of immunity shots. So I have found 3 recipes that I have written down here. I'm a list girl. And we're gonna explore making and taste testing them together. The first recipe is by Alpha Foodie, and I have it here on Pinterest. Pinterest is life, y'all. And this is a lemon, ginger, and cayenne immunity shot, and this calls for 450 grams of ginger. So let's go ahead and weigh that out on the trusty scale here. So she said 450 grams. Then so much ginger you want me use? Alright, whatever this recipe calls for, I'm gonna half it because we don't know what this thing is gonna taste like. I don't want to waste precious ginger because you know say ginger good for everything. So I can make like a ginger tea a morning. So let's just half that. So you said 450, sweetie. Let's use 225 and cut this with a 240. Close enough. A long time I do them something here, but what you call that, scale? We're gonna peel the ginger, y'all. So why people feel like I can't cook? I can cook. I just don't know the right terminologies. Woo! Okay. Alright guys, so I quickly went and rinsed the ginger off, and I am just gonna cut it down into smaller pieces so it can fit into the shoot of this a little bit better. So let's get to the fun part, y'all! We forget this. so good. Mommy, you'll be so proud of me. All right, so we have our ginger juice here. Oh, you were there all along? Anyway, y'all, my fancy little setup here for my shots, because I'm going hard. Like, I'm not about to get sick in these streets. Do you hear me? Do you feel me? So, you know what? Let's put it back in here. It's gonna be easier to pour in this, because I'm gonna make them in these and then have them in the refrigerator so I can have a shot every day. How cute! Tell me that's not cute. It says I need to add 1 teaspoon of honey. I'm just gonna wing it, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some honey to this, and also some cayenne, like that, of pepper. Maybe that's too much. No, I don't know about pepper and ginger. Okay. And then let's just give it a really good shake. Oh, the honey is hard to mix. How cute is that? Only hope it tastes cute. Alright guys, so it's time to do a taste test. Oh no, this looks kind of dangerous. Alright, let's go. Ah! Strong. The ginger is strong, but the flavor is so good. It's really good. I like this one. I can definitely drink this one. So let's move on to recipe 2. Guys, so this second recipe is by hellokaylin.com, and I'm gonna have all these linked below, so if you want to check these websites out yourself, you can feel free to do so. Honestly, I'm feeling very nervous about this one because some of the ingredients just kind of questionable, like black pepper, turmeric, garlic. This is the one I'm most afraid of. My mom has been trying to get me to drink garlic tea for the longest time, and I refuse to because I have a sensitive stomach and smells turn me off, and you know garlic does not have a good smell. I can already tell you I'm gonna be using maybe just 1 orange, 1 lemon, because I don't want to waste this stuff today, because I don't know if I want to drink this thing. So let's us see. Ugh! I'm worried. This garlic has stressed me. Nasty. I'm gonna put like 2 because I don't know about all this. Ew. So taste test time. So we gotta add some turmeric. This thing I only know supposed to go pan chicken and them something, so I don't really know. Oh, this has to work. add some black pepper because they say this is supposed to, what you say again, miss? This is supposed to activate the curcumin. I hope I'm saying that word right. That's in the turmeric, and that's the thing that you want to benefit from. Bruh, this looks so nasty. Let's go ahead and shake. Ugh. Put some more of this in there, guys. Look like too much seasoning in there. That smells so bad. Woo. Alright, let go. Oh. It's actually not that terrible. It just tastes like, you know, when you season up chicken and real quick. That's what it tastes like. But this is one of them that I would have to just like chug and just get it out of the way. Definitely not as good as the first one, guys. Alright, guys. So we're down to the third and final one. Thank God, because I'm over this. Okay, now I'm not nearly as worried about this one as I was about the previous one. So let's get right into it, because I actually think this is gonna be good. So let us bring our, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and add the apple cider vinegar. I'm just gonna, like, because we're professionals now, we don't need to measure stuff out. I feel like that's good. And let's mix that up. But like I said, links will be below for the actual recipe. So if you're the type of person that feels like you have to follow the, now that smells bad. Yeah, if you feel like you have to follow it to the T, then feel free to check the links below. Alright, let's give it a try. So bad. Oh, that's so nasty. Ugh. Ugh, so bad. That is probably worse than this one, the second one. That is so nasty. Anyways, these are meant to be tasty. At least I don't think they are. They're meant to be good for your health and wellness. So this is the finished result. And this was actually really fun, and I'm interested to see. I mean, I guess I'll know if they work or not, depending on if I get sick or not. But it doesn't hurt to help to strengthen your body and your immune system, thus helping your body to be able to fight off infections and viruses and diseases. Because, like I said earlier, without our health, we pretty much can't do any of the things that we aspire to do in life, or at least not be able to do them effectively. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me in yet another video. Let me know what you think about these immunity shots. Have you tried things like these at home? I'm sure especially if you're from a Caribbean household. You have probably done something similar anyway, because first of all, we believe that ginger and garlic is the cure for the human race. So I'm sure some of you might already be familiar with these. Would you be willing to try it? Just let me know in the comment section below, and we will talk there and have a good time. Alright, I'm so corny, guys. I'm gonna get off here now. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.